Coming to my interesting part, map pointing. So today I am making you to learn the map pointing of resources of India. And this resources of India map pointing, you can check the green color. This green color is for the forest, and pink color is for the red and yellow soil, and this blue color is for the alluvial soil. This orange color is for the laterite soil, and this yellow is for the arid soil, and black is for black soil. So just I'll draw. Before drawing this, I want to tell you something, that if it is like this, this is the sea and this is the border of sea and our India land. So which form of lands will be there in this border? Huh? Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. They are the alluvial soils. And here too we are having the Himalayan mountains up to here. And here we are having river Ganga, Yamuna. From here, river Ganga, Yamuna, Jamuna, everything it spreads. So, which type of soils here? Alluvial soils, very good. And here too we are having alluvial soils. And coming to the borders, here Himalayan mountains, you can see the Himalayan mountains, and in the Himalayan mountains we can see the forest wealth. So we are using this one. And here, where is the arid land? Arid. Where? In this place. What is this place? Did you remember this? Yes. Tell me, what is that? Waiting for you. Yes, correct. Rajasthan. Where we are having less rainfall, there we are getting the arid one. And coming to the laterite soils, these laterite soils are very little. We are getting this near the mountain places. These Western Ghat borders here, and in near the Madhya Pradesh here we can see, and Meghalaya. Here some of the places in the Meghalaya. So now let us draw. First about the forest places, green. Forest is for the green. So these are the places, the top of the India here, it is covered with the forest, this greenery. So this is the, up to here you can see the step like this step. So up to there you can mark. From there to this is the neck. So we can check like this. To remember easily, I am giving some clues to you. Like this step to this one, cross neck of the. And not only that, this is like a thumbs up. You can have thumbs up. So near this place, you can see. This is Bhutan. So the place here near the thumbs up, a very little place here, we are having the forest for here, and here some of the place, from here. This is Bhutan. And from here to here, we are having some of the forest regions. So till here only, don't cover all that one, okay? Yeah, a thumb place, and this is the thumb place, and thumb place, and this is the Bhutan. This is Bhutan. So for the thumb place here and after the Bhutan here, you are having the forest lands. Only these are the forest one. So forest lands. And coming to the next one is the blue. What is blue? I said you. Yes, very good. Alluvial soil. So full riverbank regions. The regions here, from here it is flowing. This is the alluvial soil, and some place up to here. And from here you can check this one, like this one, holding hook like structure will be there in the map. You can identify that easily, and from there a small border and towards this place. And here we said this is the arid land, and from here the arid land is spreading like this. So this is arid. We can color it in yellow. Arid land. I think it is clear. And so the remaining land, full land from here to the up, this is the, what is this? Yeah, correct. This is alluvial soil. So we are getting the alluvial soil, and I think you know the political map of India. What are the states covered here? You can remember them very easily through the map pointing, not through by heading. You can easily remember through this map pointing only. You have an idea what are the states covered in this land and which places we are having. So you can easily write it. So where can we get the alluvial soil? Where can we find the alluvial soil means you can say easily. This is Orissa place. So some places in Orissa we are getting. So here in this Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, we are getting a very little place in the Mizoram. So like this. This is the alluvial soil, and not only that, we can see the borders. Here mountains are, here full. We can cover these borders, sea borders. We are getting alluvial soil. Here the rivers are there. I think you remember them. Yes, very good. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna. These are the rivers you are having here. So in these places also we can have the alluvial soils here. Alluvial soils. Easily we can remember in that way only. Where if you remember the physical features, easily can you remember the political, everything you can remember easily through the map pointing. And coming to the, as I said, this pink one is red and yellow soil. Now where is the red and yellow soil? We can see the red and yellow soil here, Meghalaya and Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh. These all places you can see these places, all the places you can see the here in this place, and some of the places in the Deccan Plateau region which are covering from this, from here till Madhya Pradesh, some borders of the Madhya Pradesh, AP, Karnataka borders you can see. Look here, this bending is there, no? V-shape bending. Till there you can find the red and yellow soil. And again in Karnataka, some of the places in Karnataka and all the places now here border, Kerala and everything, and here this borders also covered with the red and yellow soils where we can get the minerals. Now what is this laterite soil? We can see the laterite soil in the mountainous places and these Western Ghats places. We can find these laterite soils here on the Western Ghat places, and in very few places in the Eastern Ghat, in very few places in the Eastern Ghat places. Okay. And some of the places in the Meghalaya, and we can see in some of the places in the is Rajasthan too, in some of the places in Rajasthan too, and in Madhya Pradesh also we can see the laterite soils. And now the remaining soil is the last one. What is that one? Yes, very good, black soil. So the remaining all places, we can see in Gujarat also, this is the region. You can have here also Here we are having Indus River, Indus, Satluj, Indus. Did you remember, guys? Yeah, very good. So in these places also you are having these some of the places, and you can remaining is the black soil. You can see the black soil here, and most of the places in this part of the Gujarat is also black soil, and remaining this plateau region, full plateau region is with the black soil only. Yeah, this is black soil. You can see the black soil here. Yes, this is the black soil. And in some places here I said Eastern Ghat also, very few places you can find, and this V shape is there. To opposite that V shape we can get this one. What is this landmark? Yeah, correct. This is laterite soil. So all this is about this one, and here some of the plateau region we can see this one, and till here we are having the black soil. This is the plateau. This is Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. In these areas you are having the black soil. So I hope you understand this map. Thank you very much for watching ma. Idi is just thank you. Please subscribe.